In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own stickers, digital stickers in Google Slides to then store in Google Keep and add quickly to your docs or slides for your students or for yourself. Alright, so I'm going to change these. I want these to be 3" by 3" stickers. So I go into Google Slides and I go to File, Page Setup. I'm going to choose the custom, make sure that the units are inches, and I'm going to change it to a 3 by 3. And once I do that, if I have anything on here, I can delete it. I can also go to the layout and just say make it blank. I am going to make sure that the background of this slide is transparent, because when I add the sticker into something else, I don't want there to be any white edges. And I'm going to make sure that I've added that to the theme so that every slide that I create will have a white background. Unless you want something else, but for me I want the white background. Okay, I'm going to add a shape, and I'm just going to start with a circle. I'm going to make it a nice big large circle here, and I'm going to make sure that that circle is centered both horizontally and vertically. I'm going to make the outside line a little bit thicker, maybe 4 pixels. And I'm going to also change the fill of that. I want it to be a gradient, maybe this teal. And so then I can add text, and you can add text in a couple of different ways. You can add a text box or you can add word art. So for this one, I'm going to say oops, I didn't mean to hit enter. Oh well, I'll delete. If you read the directions carefully, it shift enter. I'm going to shift enter. So for trigonometry teachers, they'll know what SOHCAHTOA is, and maybe they want to remind their students to do that from time to time. The reason I used word art is, you notice as I'm resizing it, it automatically changes the font size, and I don't have to worry about figuring out which font size is biggest or fits best. Again, I'm going to make sure I center this horizontally and vertically. I'm going to change the font to something a little bit more interesting maybe. And I'm going to also change the color of the font to just white and take off the outline. Maybe make that a little bit more narrow. Okay, and so once I've got it the way I want it, maybe I want to add my Bitmoji in here or something. So I'm gonna, not that this is a great Bitmoji to put in there, but I'm going to add it. Resize. Okay, and select everything and scooch it over just a smidge. Or not. Once you've got it the way you want it, you can then, alright, so this is the way that I want it, and I'm going to then make it a sticker. So here I'm going to download, go to File, I'm going to download, and I'm going to choose the PNG because I do want this white space in the background to be transparent. Once I've done that, it comes up down here. And so I've got my sticker, and I can continue to create a bunch of different stickers in here, just add another slide and continue on. Once I've got the stickers, I'm going to go to my Google Keep, and I'm going to create a slide here with this image, and this quick and easy button right there will let me click on it, choose the one that I just downloaded in my downloads, and once that pops in, I want to make sure that I add it to the labels. I'm going to add a label on this, and if I don't have a label called stickers, I'm going to add one, but I already have one called stickers, so I'm going to click that and close. Now it's in my Google Keep. I've stored it there. I can go over, say this is an example of an essay that a student had turned in, and I want to add a sticker on here. If I don't see these little icons on the right hand side, then I can go to this arrow button down here that will say show side panel, and it's down next to the explore button, but it's this side panel. Once that comes up, there's calendar, there's keep, and then there's tasks. I want to look at my Google Keep. It's going to show me some, but I know that I've got another sticker that's not showing on here, so I'm going to go up here to search, and I'm going to look for stickers because that's the label that I had given it. And I can just click on this one and drag it over and drop it. I can, if I want to, resize it, make it fit within, move it around. I can do the same thing over here. I've got a Google slide deck. I want to put a sticker on this particular slide for a student. Again, if it's not showing, you can show your side panel, go to Keep, search for stickers, and here's the sticker that I want to put here. Just drag it over and move it around and resize it as needed. And so, got those stickers. Hope you find a creative and interesting way to use this, and let me know what you think.